Hello friends, my name is Tanishq. I study in Standard 8. Please like, subscribe and share my channel Educational Tech for more educational videos. Today the topic is Nikola Tesla. Nikola Tesla was a Serbian-American inventor, an electrical engineer, a mechanical engineer and a futurist who is best known for his contribution to the design of the modern alternating current AC electric supply system. Born and raised in the Austrian Empire, Tesla studied engineering and physics in the 1870s without receiving a degree and gained practical experience in the early 1880s work in telephony and at Continental Edison in the new electric power industry. In 1884, he emigrated to the United States where he became a naturalized citizen. He worked for a short time at the Edison Machine Works in New York before he struck out on his own. With the help of partners to finance and market his ideas, Tesla set up laboratories and companies in New York to develop a range of electrical and mechanical devices in alternating current. His alternating current AC induction motor and related polyphase AC patents licensed by Westinghouse Electric in 1888 earned him a considerable amount of money and became the cornerstone of the polyphase system which that company eventually marketed. Nikola Tesla was born on 10 July 1856 in Smiljan, Austrian Empire. His resting place was Belgrade, Serbia. He was having the citizenship of Austria and America. He completed his education from the Graz University of Technology. He was a disciple of electrical and mechanical engineering. His projects were alternating current, high voltage, high frequency power experiments, etc. Some of his significant designs were AC motor, carbon button lamp, death ray, induction motor, Tesla coil, Tesla experimental station, Wardenclyffe Tower, World Wireless System, etc. Some of the awards that Tesla got were Edison Medal in 1916, Order of Saint Sava Second Class in Government of Serbia 1892, etc. etc. Nikola Tesla's early years were like this. Nikola Tesla was born an ethnic Serb in the village of Smiljan within the military frontier in the Austrian Empire, present-day Croatia. On 10 July 1856, his father Milutin Tesla was an Orthodox priest. Tesla's mother, Duka Mendik, whose father was also an Orthodox priest, had a talent for making home craft tools and mechanical appliances and the ability to memorize Serbian epic poems. Duka had never received a formal education. Tesla credited his eidetic memory and creative abilities to his mother's genetics and influence. Tesla progenitors were from Western Serbia and Montenegro. Tesla was the fourth of the 5 children. He had sisters Mika, Angelina, and Marika, and an older brother named Dane. Let me tell you something about Tesla's working at the Budapest Telephone Exchange Company. In 1881, Tesla moved to the Budapest, Hungary to work under Szilárd Puskás at a telephone company. In the Budapest Telephone Exchange, upon arrival, realized Tesla that the company then under construction was not functional. So he worked as a draftsman in the Central Telegraph Office instead. Within a few months, The Budapest Exchange became functional and Tesla was allocated the chief electrician position. During his employment, Tesla made many improvements to the central equipment and claimed to have a perfected telephone repeater or amplifier. Now, let me tell you something about Nikola Tesla working at Edison Company. In 1882, Kaiwader Puskas got Tesla another job in Paris with the Continental Edison Company. Tesla began working in what was then a new brand industry, installing indoor incandescent lighting citywide in the form of an electric power utility. The power had several subdivisions, and Tesla worked at the Société Électrique Edison, the division in the Ivry-sur-Seine suburb of Paris, in charge of installing the lighting system. They gained a great deal of practical experience in electrical engineering. Management took office advantage knowledge in engineering and physics and sued him designing and building improved versions of generating dynamos and motors. They also sent him to troubleshoot engineering problems at other Tesla and Edison utilities being built around France and in Germany. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, subscribe and share my video for getting more such educational videos. In the next video, I am going to tell you about Sushruta, the first surgeon of India. Thank you.